So, Kaikoura. This is known as the Whale Trail. And now goes all the way to town. I'm not sure how far out this way it goes. I've ridden along it before, but I don't remember it being like a complete trail. It was all kind of a bit haphazard. And it looks like they've put a couple of railway crossings in and made it so you can get all the way from town, which is nice. So just out for a little burst this morning and see where we get to. Great shots of the hills, or great view of the hills. Clear as a bell. It was wet yesterday, rain, mizzly, misty crap. And then this morning it's gorgeous. Let's hope it stays like this. So that now's on the chest mount. Don't know what the perspective will be much different. Will probably be a lower perspective, I'd have thought. Cruising along on low power. Nice 24k an hour. Of course, the beautiful thing about coastal trails is they're normally flat, like this one. And a good surface, so you don't even need a mountain bike really. This will be a good test of the auto exposure, I would have thought. Gee whiz. Wide bars. Nearly my broken fingers. Getting quite warm now. Oh. So that was quite sweaty through the single track. Oh, touching the mic now, very professional. So yeah, that was the Whale Trail, very good. I'm going to have a look now what this next bit is. Because I'm not completely knackered, so I might keep going for a bit. Quite strange having the effigy thing at the start of the trail. And this is the Kaikoura Trail. Just realised the guard is actually standing in front of the thing that tells you how far the trail is. It's only 2.5k, so we'll give it a go. And nearly it's a tree from the get-go. Ay, ay, ay. Lots of steel cable going through the woods. Oof, nearly banged my head again. A deer or a hog or a possum or something just scarpered through the woods.
How you doing?
Good. Yourselves?
Yeah, good to see you on the track.
Yeah. No worries, mate. There we go. Oh, hello, dogs. Can I come past? Come on. Come. Right. No, they're all right. They were sitting and just waiting for you up there. They've obviously.
Yeah, normally they'll wait and I'll whistle.
Ah, right. Yeah. Cool. I'll let you get on. No worries. Not the sturdiest of benches, to be fair. Let's have a little Scooby snack. Yes. Come on.
See you later.
Yeah. Not a bad little spot to stop. River just running down to the ocean, coast over there. Mountains behind us. What is not to like? Great way to start your Saturday. Thank you. Why are you walking your dog on the mountain bike trail? So many other places to walk a dog.